In this video, I want to have a look at the three trigonometric ratios. So the trig ratios compare the lengths of sides, of two sides, in right-angled triangles. So we're going to have all the different pairs of sides when we're talking about opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So our first ratio is the sine ratio. So the sine ratio compares the length of the opposite side to the length of the hypotenuse. So the way we write that is we write sine theta, so sine of our angle, is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Our second trig ratio is the cosine ratio. So the cosine ratio compares the length of the adjacent side to the length of the hypotenuse. So the way we write that out is that cos theta equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So we shorten these to sine and cos rather than writing out sine and cosine, and we can use hyp and adj instead of opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So we're just shortening things, making it a little bit easier for ourselves. All right, now last trig ratio is called the tangent ratio. So the tangent ratio compares the length of the opposite side to the length of the adjacent side. So we write that as tan theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So the way we can remember that is we can remember this word SOHCAHTOA. So we've got sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. So there's another way that people sometimes write that as so sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is toa, so tan is opposite over adjacent. So let's have a look at our three trig ratios.